Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO of CourseCREEK. CourseCREEK is an agency, a boutique agency that helps authors, coaches, companies, really anybody with a great idea monetize their expertise through online courses, live masterclass programs, and live class cohort programs. Essentially, we help coaches, authors, companies, people with great ideas get scalability out of their knowledge, help you to leverage what you are already doing and by putting it into digital services and digital products. My talented team and I will help you build a tech stack. We'll do the instructional design, and we have specialists that know how to drive traffic to landing pages and funnels for those of you that already have courses and programs up and running, but would like to increase your conversions and get more sales. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below and let's schedule one of those Zoom discovery calls, or you know what, it's perfectly cool to just pick up the phone and give me a call. We can save some time. Thank you very much for your consideration. Good day.